Hi, this is Robbie with Roadrunner's Mobile RV Repair, servicing the greater Memphis area. We do roof coating, wash and wax services, all kind of RV and camper repairs, electrical issues, plumbing issues, flooring issues. Today's project, we got this 2014 Holiday Rambler Ambassador. What we're doing today is the customer had a roof leak, so we got the roof leak sealed yesterday. Today we are going to be pressure washing the roof, getting it really nice and clean to put the fiberglass coating on top of it. So if you would like to see some befores and afters and see the process going through it, you're more than welcome to watch the video, and please like and subscribe to videos because you are what we need to get our name built up and out there to the United States and to the world. Thank you. Alright, I got my oldest son on the roof right now, Justin, prepping for fiberglass sealant. What we are doing right now is pressure washing the roof. Make sure that you have a proper PSI level so you're not overpowered. We're sticking with 2200 PSI level to get all the algae and dirt off the roof before we seal. We are going to be pressure washing all throughout the trim sides, all around the air conditioner and air vents around the skylight. You want to make sure all that surface is nice and clean before you put down the sealer. After your roof is dry from pressure washing, make sure you mask your entire roof in areas that need, especially around the roof vents and air conditioner. As we move into the first coat, you want to make sure you do all your trimming first. You're going to trim around the air conditioner. You're going to trim around your air vents and your skylight and any other trim areas that are needed where you're not going to be able to reach with your roller. Once you finish up all the trim areas, you are going to apply the fiberglass sealant with a roller-on application. You're going to make sure you distribute the sealant evenly throughout the roof. Make sure you take your time when applying. Also make sure it's not too hot outside and your temperature is not above 95 degrees, because it will thicken up on you really quickly. So you want to make sure it's under 95 but also above 75 degrees. You want that nice good temperature, and make sure that it's not going to rain for 2 days when applying it. Now, being that the temperature was 90 degrees this day, we was able to get the second coat done, and later on in the evening, it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, we let it dry for about 6 hours before we put on the second coat. And as you can see, she came out really nice and very clean and very sealed. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.